In this video we'll go over the different ways to navigate your Vizlib Gantt. The navigation options are located in the bottom right. The plus minus button zoom in and out of your Vizlib Gantt. These are in set zoom intervals. Calendar snap has a list of common time ranges which you can then click. The options displayed here are also defined by your min and max time range. The search bar allows you to search for any event which matches the search criteria. Suggestions that match the search criteria are also displayed so you can select it and find that event quicker. The events that you have recently viewed can be found by just clicking on the search bar. This helps you find that event without having to type it out again. Scrolling and panning on the Vizlib Gantt can be done in multiple ways. For vertical navigation, you can hover over the left hand column and use the mouse wheel. You can click and drag the scroll bar. You can click and drag on the left column, the one that has all your titles on it. On the main view area of your Vizlib Gantt, you can use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out, or use the options in the navigation bar. By clicking on the view area, you can also pan your Vizlib Gantt. On this example I have a horizontal and vertical scroll bar. The horizontal scroll bar changes width depending on your zoom. By default, the horizontal scroll bar isn't there, so you have to go into your settings, range and zoom, enable the range boundaries, and then put in your start and end dates. Once you have filled out your start and end dates, you can click on the show horizontal scroll bar, and then it will appear on your Vizlib Gantt.